Alright, so I'm going to attempt to make a video here on how I'm going to swap out the spring in this Pasco projectile launcher. And I didn't have any experience with this type of a retaining clip, and I couldn't find much online, so in the rare instance where somebody ever needs to do this, you're welcome. But yeah, I felt bad that there wasn't really anything out there. So looking at this clip, you look around, it just looks like a ring, but then somewhere around here you'll see there's a little bit of an indentation. Okay, and I can get just enough purchase in there with my screwdriver, so I can back that out now. So I can get just enough, hopefully. Worked on the other one, then I got overconfident. Let me pause this thing, see if I can't find a better screwdriver, because that's really probably not the appropriate tool. Alright, so we're back to recording. So I had to get a more robust screwdriver. This clip on this one's a little bit more stern than the other ones. I'm going to be smart and put on some goggles, because you know these things are under tension. That always spooks me a little bit. Oh, but I got to really kind of pry at it. I'm kind of boogering up the back of this thing, but if I can just get it enough that it comes free, and then it's just a spiral. It's kind of a cool retaining clip. I'd never dealt with these on anything else. It kind of helps if I pull away, and then here's the spring. So I've got this spring, which is pretty squishy. Ooh, can I in-3L these a little bit? Like you can see there, right? That one's definitely a much softer spring. So I'm going to put in this stiffer spring, put that in there, get the sight back in there. Like surely people have had to replace those sights before, but I didn't see any videos on it. And then I'm just going to reseat this clip, kind of push it in there a ways. Start to reseat that. It's trying to slide on me. This is normally the part where I'm swearing. Oh, come on, baby. And yep, just about there. Oh, come on. And yeah, so it's in there. It's not the cleanest job, but that's how you got to do it. That's how you got to do it. Now that spring's in there. This is now a long-range launcher.